Welcome to Lamington National Park, home to an incredible amount of biodiversity. In this video, we'll explore what these ancient forests have to offer. Expect to see amazing reptiles, spectacular birds, giant trees, stunning crayfish, and a whole lot more. Join me on this awesome rainforest adventure. To start off, we took a scenic drive up the mountain, where lush green trees shade the rainforest floor. There were loads of cheerful bird calls echoing through the forest. Just listen to how incredible the rainforest sounds. This bird here is a rufous fantail. We were very lucky to get him on camera. We also saw a ton of skinks while walking the trail. These ones were all out and about trying to get their daily dose of sunlight. Probably the thickest vine you'll ever see. There's massive crow's nests and there's a ginormous elkhorn up there as well. Here there was a hollowed out tree, so I decided to climb inside. Oh, you can see the light up the top. That's cool. Whew. You want to go in as well? Yeah. Ginormous fig tree there as well. The falls look awesome with all the rain that we've had. They're flowing real fast down there. Pretty long drop as well. It's awesome. Here are some nice stills of the waterfall, and here's a water dragon that was sunning himself on the cliff. As you can hear, the cicadas were loving all this excess water. We made our way to another lookout point where we were able to get this awesome view. We also found Australia's largest skink. This right here is a land mullet. Massive lizard. These big boys can grow up to be about 70 centimetres long. Don't go away. That right there is what we're after. Spiny blue crayfish. We're going to go back to the creek to look for a spiny blue crayfish. So fingers crossed we get what we're after. has got to be the best place for spiny blue crayfish. After walking along the stream for a little while and having no luck with finding spiny blue crayfish, I came across this massive cicada stuck in the water. He shouldn't be in the water, should he? That's ginormous, hey? According to sources, cicadas are louder than ever at the moment due to all this perfect wet weather. Oh, his wing's damaged. I don't know if he'll be able to fly. In fact, cicadas can reach up to 120 decibels, which is deafening to the human ear. I'll just plonk you on there if that's okay. Good luck, mate. Another land mullet. Oh, he's got something growing out on the side of him. Yeah, a bunch of ticks.
Yeah. That's an excellent hollow.
Just as I thought that the hunt for spiny blue crayfish had ended, we stumbled upon this small stream. And with a bit of luck, we found the spiny blue crayfish. This one was pretty small, but it's still so spectacular when you get to see one of these guys. Oh yeah, that looks good. Here you can see the crayfish flick his tail to get away from the camera. It's amazing how effective that mechanism is. Spiny blue crayfish are endemic to this mountain range, making this discovery all the more special. Yeah, it could be. It's moving. He's just gone into his hole now, underneath that stick and rock there. Pretty good spot. Oh yeah. That right there is a bower, created by the satin bowerbird. You can see all those blue items. They grab all these blue pieces of whatever they can find and drop them down next to their bower so they can complete their mating ritual, where the male does a little show for the female and dances around this bower here. Pretty cool.
You can climb in.
Yeah. Yeah, I can climb in. Oh. So what I'm standing inside of right now is a fig tree. A ginormous fig tree. And so there used to be another tree where I'm standing right now, but the fig tree is essentially a parasite. It uses the tree to grow. It grows along the side of the tree and essentially constricts it. and eventually the tree starts to die and it rots out, and you're left with just this fig tree, which is a pretty cool skeleton of what used to be living through the middle. This suspension bridge is called the OReillys Treetop Walk, which takes you through the canopy of Lamington National Park. It truly is an otherworldly experience to be this high up amongst the trees. Pretty high up. Whoa. Check out those roots.
Yeah. Hello.
Nice looking king parrots. Wow.
Yellow robin. Well, what was he doing on the ground?
Yeah, I just saw him jump.
You got him. They normally sit upright on a tree trunk.
Really? Yeah, I just saw him jumping around this lamandra here. This lizard here is a southern angle-headed dragon. I was very lucky to spot him and get a hold of him.
Beautiful.
Yeah. That's cool.
So you should put him on a tree trunk.
Yeah.
Come back in this way.
He's kind of yellow, isn't he?
Yeah. Is he easy to get?
Yeah. He was just backed up. Like he just had his head in the lamandra, so I could just grab him from the back.
Put him on this tree.
Alrighty.
Lovely fella.
Yeah. Ooh, he's not very happy.
Put him on the tree trunk.
Yeah. Usually these lizards spend most of their time in the trees. However, this one wasn't too keen. He doesn't want to go on the tree trunk. What an awesome day it was, spending time in this incredible subtropical Australian rainforest. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel for more adventurous content.